If you have bought Solana memecoin, you have probably been robbed or you are one click away from it. In this video, I will show you a tool where you can paste any Solana token address and it will expose scams, rogue, and red flag in seconds. This is not a paid advert, although others may reserve this information for their private community alone. However, this tool is out there and anybody can use it, even you. Right now, Solana memes launch every minute. Some go to 10x, most go to 0. The problem is not volatility. It is fake liquidity, wallet traps, and hidden risk. I have traded memes, reviewed launches, and watched good traders get wiped. Not because they are dumb, but because they didn't check this. Let me show you how Degens traders are protecting themselves before apeing. Most people do this. The chat looks good, the Twitter is loud, influencer is posting record emoji, so they ape. But here's the truth. The chat never tells if a token can be rolled. That information lives on-chain. Quick question for you. When was the last time you checked for hidden risks before you ape into a Solana meme? Drop your answer in the comments below. This is where this tool comes in. Instead of you depending on vague metrics, Twitter is large, influencer is posting record emojis, and all the stuff that does not add value or help you identify the hidden risk. All you need to do is to head over to memecheck.co. You just have to paste the token address or the CD or the contact address into this tool, and it will instantly scan this tool for hidden risk, rogue possibility, wallet concentration, and so many other metrics that you need to check on chain to know if a token will be rolled or not. And to do this for you under 10 seconds. The next minute, I will show you the one red flag that matters most for every memecoin you want to trade. Now to do this, I will head over to the screener and I'll pick a random token address from Solana chain and I will scan it with memecheck and show you so that you will know how it works and also how you can use it for other Degens trades. Are you ready? Then let's do this. Alright guys, so this is a memecheck platform. So I will go to the screener and pick a random meme. So I will be picking the black whale because it just 3 days ago. So I want to scan it. So I go to the screener, I pick the black whale token I want to scan. I copy the CA or the contract address and I head over to memecheck and I post it to scan for hidden risk. Okay, so I'll click on scan and then it's less than 10 seconds. Memecheck begins to scan the black whale token. So it's especially the token metadata, checking the mint authority, verifying risk authority, identifying, analyzing holder distribution, calculating the top holders, checking the token data, and when it's done, it shows me everything. Now this is one of the metrics to check. You see, the risk assessment is what? 8. Because this is over 100. And it's 8. This means this is a good project to ape in at this current time. Okay, so you can see all that stuff here. In trading pair, you can see the program that was used to develop it to continue 22. You can see the total supply, the decimal, the coin market cap, the age the token was created, the current price, the liquidity 150k, which is so strong. Then the volume in 24 hours, which is 1.4 million, which is also very, very strong. Then you see the FTV. Then the total holders is 48 plus 24 hours. Then you can see the total 10 wallet, top 10 wallet concentration is what? 19.9, approximately 20%. Then for security, you can see the mint authority and everything here in details. Then you can see that the desk is also paid. To know if the desk is paid, you can see it here also. Then you can see the holders goods. You can see that this is in linear direction, that the hype on this project is still very much alive. People are still buying into the project and they are holding. That is where you get this holder goods. Then you can see the token distribution as well. How this token is evenly distributed. And you can also see the bubble map of the words of the top 20 holders and how they are here this wallet. So One wallet buys and share to other smaller wallets. Call that concentration. Okay. So some concentration are healthy while others are not. So for this token, it concentration is healthy. That's right. So you don't have to bother about that. But most of the token, you see that this one person that is controlling the total supply or above or abnormal supply of the token, which is unhealthy. So for this, it's a healthy distribution or a healthy what? Concentration. Okay, so this is the most important one. This bubble map is one of the most important uh or metrics to check out for any project. If the concentration is unhealthy, then that is a no, a big no. But your condition is healthy, then it gives you an opportunity to AP to the projects and still have the chance to make profits. Now, you see, Degens don't lose because they are unlucky. They lose because they trade blind. And now this tool does not guarantee profits, but it will help you eliminate unnecessary losses. And in crypto trading, this tool alone puts you ahead of 90% of traders who are trading blindly. So before your next Solana AP, copy the CA, head over to memecheck.com, paste the CA and scan. And from the metrics it shows you, you can then decide if you are going to ape or feed. Hype fails, but on-chain data never lies. Subscribe to my channel if you want more tutorials and insights like this one. And remember, the fastest way to make money in crypto is to learn how not to lose more than you earn. I'll see you in my next video.